So hello everyone, welcome to this video lecture series of Python for data science and machine learning. So we have till now covered the basic functions and basic know-how of Jupyter, Anaconda and everything. Now from here we are going to look at the basic operators in Python, and that is going to be the main objective for this particular video. So let's quickly start with today's course content. So the course content that we have for this particular video is the operators. So we have many different kinds of operators, that is ranging from arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, membership operator, identity operator. But in this particular video tutorial we are going to cover three most important types of operator, that are arithmetic operator, comparison operator and assignment operator. Otherwise logical, bitwise and membership operator as well as the identity operator, they are used, but we need to focus more on the first three operators. So let us go ahead and try to learn them. So the first type of operator is the arithmetic operator. So as we have already studied in our elementary school stuff and all, the basic operator we all know: plus, minus, multiplication and divisions. But here we get some additional operators. For example, this fifth one is the modulus operator, as you can see here. Sixth one is the power operator, and the seventh one is the floor operator. Now how do we use this all operator? Let us look all of them one by one in the real life scenario or in the practical basis. So these are the operators that I have shown you. I have done some of the calculation beforehand so that I'll not waste your time. Now you can see very clearly here that the moment we use the plus operator, it just plus the two digits that we have and it gave the output as 12. Similarly, minus, multiplication and division, they are the basic operators, so I don't think I need to explain very deeply into them. But these are the modulus operator that you need to understand a bit more. For example, let me give you one more example. Suppose we have 7 and again we just try to have its modulus as 3, and if we see the output, it will be 1. Why 1 is the output? Because 3 2s are 6 and the remaining is 1. Similarly, 3 3s are 9 and the remaining is 1. So whatever remainder that we are getting, this modulus operators outputs that particular remainder. So this is how this modulus operator works. After modulus operator we have power operator. Power operator is very powerful again. So here you can see 2 to the power 3 is 8. We can have another example also. 2 to the power 2 is 4. So this is how this particular operator, power operator, works. After power operator we have this floor operator. Floor operator has a very unique function. For example, if we try to divide a number in a very normal or general fashion, so it will give its output as 3.3333. 10 divided by 3, the output will be 3.3333335. But if I don't want this numbers after decimal, I just want it into the natural or the whole number, in the form of natural number or whole number. I don't want into the point or I don't want into the float types. So what I'll use the floor this operator, and this floor operator will remove all the decimal points and it will give you just the main output that you are required. So that's all about this particular arithmetic operator. Now let us look at the next operator. But before jumping directly to the next operator, first of all let us try to practice something in this particular arithmetic operator. So this is the question for you all to practice. So suppose if I'll give you one number 1 2 3 4 5. This is not a random number. 1 2 3 4 5 are not different. This you can consider it as 12,345, and you need to find the unit digit of this number by using this arithmetic operator. So supposingly if your number is 12,345, you should give the output as 5. Suppose your number is 1234, your output should be 4. Suppose your number is 123, your output should be 3. Now this is something which is going to be very useful for you in future reference when you are going to use this along with the loops. But as of now, I just want this from you all, that just solve this question, use any operator that you think is fit for it, and using this input give me output as 5. Please do this in the comment below. And don't worry about the answers of this. You'll find the answers of all this question that I'm giving in the link that I will be providing right below down the video, and you can just go to that particular link. You can find the answers for all these questions there. And if someone gives the correct answer in the comment below, I'll just give that a heart so that others will know what is the right answer. So after this particular arithmetic operator, let us look at our next operator, that is comparison operator. Comparison operators are again very easy kind of operators. So we have 6 kind of comparison operator. This is called equal to operator, this is not equal to operator, this is less than, this is greater than, this is less than equal to, this is greater than equal to. So again, now let us look the practicality of this particular comparison operator. So we can see the examples here. Suppose if I'll just write 2 is equal to 3. We all know 2 is not equal to 3, so it will give the answer as false. Now if I'll say 2 is less than or equal to 3, which is true. True is less than 3, so it will give output as true. Again, if I say 2 is greater than equal to 3, no, 2 is neither greater nor equal to 3, so it's false. If I'll say 2 is less than 3, yes, it's true. 2 is greater than 3, no, it's false. Again, true is not equal to 3, yes, this is true. So true is equal to 3, this is false. True is not equal to 3, this is true. So this is how you can use this particular comparison operator. And after using this all comparison operator, you will have an overall view of how you can use them in the loops, or you can use them in other entities of the programming that will require. So now let us again look at a question related to the comparison operator. Now you have seen that I have shown you that not equal to sign. So this is not equal to operator. I have used this particular sign. So the question for you all is there any other way through which we can represent not equal to by using symbol? So is there any other symbol that we can use for not equal to operator? So again, do answer in the comment below, and I'll be more than happy to see few of the very good answers related to this. Anyways, now let us go to the next operator, and that is assignment operator. So assignment is more or less giving one value to some another variable. What value, what variable, don't worry, we'll be doing it in a practical way, so you'll be able to understand it in a very efficient manner. But as of now, just consider we have different type of assignment operator: equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplied by equal to, divide by equal to. So now let us quickly go and see how we can use them. So as you can see here, suppose I've given the value to a. So this is called variable. So a is a variable which is given the value as 2. Again, b is a variable which is given the value as 3. So a becomes 2, b becomes 3. Now if I have one more variable that is named as c, if I just want to add a and b, so can you guess what will be the value of c? I think you must have guessed it correctly. The output would be 2 plus 3, that is 5. Right, now the value of c is 5. So this is what we have done, is the assignment. So we have assigned 2 to A, 3 to B. Similarly, A plus B is assigned to C. Now if I want if I'm writing something like C is equal to C plus A, so whatever the value of C, suppose the value of C was 5 and I just want to add A to the C again. So the value of A was 2. Again, if A is added to the C, it will become 7. 5 plus 2 becomes 7. So this particular expression can be written as C plus equals to A. Don't get confused, it is very simple. This particular expression, which is C is equal to C plus A. So instead of repeatedly writing C is equal to C plus A, we can simply write it as C plus equal to A. So this formula will have same output as this formula. So this formula gave us output as 7. Again, if we add A to this particular C, so the value of C was here 7. Again, if we add A, which was 2 here, it will become 9. So this particular assignment operator, so C is equal to C plus A, can be written as C plus is equal to A. Similarly, C is equal to C minus B can be written as C minus equal to B. Similarly, we can use into or modulus or division in the same manner as to make it more efficient for the assignment operator. Now again, let us see some of the practice sets for assignment operator. It is going to be really interesting. So suppose if I'm saying I have one variable sum whose value is 0. I have another variable A whose value is A. Now give me the output or just predict the output of this particular variable. So if I'll just write sum plus is equal to A, then what will be the value of sum? I hope this is very easy question, you all will be able to answer it. So this is all about the assignment operator, and this is how this particular video ends. And if you want to download the PDF version of this file, you can just find it from below link that I'll be giving. You'll also be able to find the answers of all the questions from the below link, and if someone answers it in the comment box below, I'll just give it a heart so that everyone could understand what exactly the answers are. Though the answers are really very simple, I think all of you will be able to answer that. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.